All right, so today we start our day pretty late, 6:30. It's my dad's birthday. We are at a buffet right now. Came in early, reserved the table, bought a cake already, a good cake. And so we're at a sushi buffet. Yep. Are you excited?
Yes,
Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Walmart. What are we getting today?
Stuff.
What stuff? I need some like 5-hour energy, like energy drinks, because soon the exam's coming up, so I gotta stock up on some energy drinks so I can study and make petty officer 2nd class. What do you want? I can get you anything. Hello Kitty?
Oh my gosh, I want the Hello Kitty. I want the Hello Kitty.
What you doing? Makeup? Walmart makeup? You're a Walmart girl? Oh my. Oh my. Total temptation. Walmart. It has every makeup that you could want or need. Even popcorn chicken. Whoa! $9.83. That's a ripoff of some popcorn chicken makeup. No way. Right, babe?
Yeah. What? What's that?
Estella?
Oh,
I choose you! New Yes 2 coconut. It will make you look like a joker. Alright, so she got her makeup. We are going to go to the clearance section right here. Right here. The clearance where you can get a fidget spinner for $1. Estella left me. She's not having any of my nonsense right now. She's on a mission to find some gifts for her dad. Way to leave. Babe, forget makeup. All you need is some Play-Doh on your face. So we are at my parents' house. And then we're gonna eat some light dinner real quick. And then go bowling. Here's the fam. Mom and dad. Excited. First shot. Will I get a strike?
Just do it.
Will I get a strike? How did you get a spare?
I don't know.
And you've only bowled like twice.
I don't know. I don't know. Come here, Mom. Woo! Let's try.
Good game.
But you lost really bad the first time.
The first round's always a.
Worse than me.
First round is always a practice round.
No.
First round's always a practice round. Mom, Dad. Today we start out our day in Edison, New Jersey for a spa. A spa. A spa. A spa. I was waiting for your reaction.
Spa.
Spa. We're going with my cousin Andrea.
Hi.
Island.
Sometimes the way it sounds might hurt, but it's all good, cause as long as we together and as long as it's clever, I don't care about the weather, let it rain. Me and my conscience had a talk today. Told me when I see the trouble, better walk away. Wait, sometimes you gotta space out. Sometimes you gotta change route. Sometimes
in our little spa session, we are at a Korean barbecue place. Back in Pennsylvania from Jersey. Thank you, Andrea. And that was like an hour and like 20 minutes to get there, an hour and 20 minutes back. No, it was more with the traffic this time. Guys, if you are old enough and you
sorta
ever
like the
come to Dave
suspect.
Buster's, make sure
sorta like you gotta get it.
the mango
Sorta
berry
like it's not a
blast.
riddle.
It's actually
Lyrically, I'm such a swordsman.
I-
Sorta like the suspect.
Mario
Sorta
Kart.
like you gotta get it. Sorta like it's not a riddle. Sometimes wait.
Alright, so to close out the night, after a long drive, multiple hours, at least luckily I didn't drive that much, but with my parents again, the Chinese noodle shop, bestseller. Here's the
Sometimes
food.
the way it sounds might hurt, but it's all good, cause as long as we together and as long as it's clever, I don't care about the weather, let it rain. Sometimes it's gorgeous.